to make a paper mask out of a paper towel, a stapler, and some rubber bands. So first you're going to take paper towel and you're going to fold it in about an inch, flip it over, and do the same thing. So that way it's just like this. And then keep doing that until you get to the end of your paper. And then you're going to take the end of your paper towel, fold it in like that. That way it makes like a little square thing, flap right here. And then you're going to take your rubber band, put it in the inside of it, and that way it's just like this. And then you're going to take your stapler and staple that part right there. Okay? So that way it's like that. Then I'm going to staple down lower again, like that. Then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Fold it in and put your rubber band on it and the inside again, like that. And now you have your mask. So I'm gonna try it on. So I'm just gonna put it on like this. And spread it out. That way you have your mask. And then here is another example. And this is your mask. Thank you for watching.